So I'm almost there. I've got my piping, plumbing is all in here. The junction manifold. Got two plugged ones. I'm planning to put some air blast mounted to the table, so I got two extras there, and then all that comes around. I still need to secure this floppy bit here. I don't like that, so it's going to catch on something eventually. And then we got as far as I could go on the wiring today. Looks pretty good in there. I think that's not too bad for a first try at an industrial wiring. And then let's close that. And if we power that up, the light comes on. And then the solenoids work. These ones aren't hooked to solenoids yet because I don't have them. And that's that. Have a great weekend, everyone.